Election day on the Rez. Nobody around. On my way to voting. First ever voting on our Rez. Election day on the Rez. Nobody around. The Saugeen tribe. Ojibwe's Saugeen houses. There's a big lake over there.
Water really works on this one yet.
I'm gonna fix this house. Laundry room. Backyard. Oh boy, look at that. Damn, the water doesn't even run. Look at that. Look at their water. Yeah. Oh, the garbage. This is good right here. Look at that. That's a mixer. A mixer.
Yeah. That's what Lisa wanted to keep. Oh, can I get it? Right? She wants to keep that and that. Yeah, throw it
Just took the stove. There's no stove or fridge.
That trailer is bigger than this deck.
Nobody's poor here. Look at they all have vehicles. The only poor ones are walking. They're reserved. This is number 8 house. Family's looking for a house, but I think they're turning this one into an office, they say. That actually looks nice in here. Oh, these houses need major cleaning and repair. All this. Wow. On my way to voting. First ever voting on our Rez.
Moose meat. You're right. You're right.
I didn't know we could record this. I didn't know we could record this.
Just pulls it a faucet.
Yeah.